Hello everyone! In today's video, I will share to you my version of turkey spaghetti with zucchini and parmesan. These are all the ingredients. Cook spaghetti in a boiling salted water for 11 minutes until al dente. In a large pan, over a medium heat, add turkey, Tuscan heat spice, garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt and pepper. Cook until lightly brown for 4 minutes. Add zucchini and tomato paste. Cook stirring until zucchini is tender and turkey is cooked for 3 minutes. Stir in marinara sauce, stock concentrate, and 1/2 cup pasta cooking water. Simmer until slightly thickened for 2 minutes. Reduce heat to medium-low. Stir in cream cheese, sour cream, half the parmesan, 1 tablespoon of butter until melted and combine. Season with salt and pepper. Stir in cream cheese, sour cream, half the parmesan, 1 tablespoon of butter until melted and combine. Season with salt and pepper. Add drained spaghetti to pan with sauce. Toast to coat. Sprinkle with remaining parmesan and serve. This is my version of turkey spaghetti with zucchini and parmesan. Thank you for watching. Cooking Bliss